Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is the classic size happy planner called Beauty in Florals, and it is so neutral I couldn't imagine using anything else. So I'm going to be flipping through some books to decide what we're using, but in the meantime, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome. I really hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. So today we are planning for the week of November 22nd through the 28th. That means it's Thanksgiving week, so I'm going to be making an untraditional fall spread. I wanted something different. I know everybody's going with orange and pumpkin, well, at least orange pumpkins, and I wanted to do maybe something slightly different. So I pulled out the Autumn Blooms from Live Love Posh, and those are all clear stickers, which I love so much. So I'm going to go ahead and be working with those. Those are these really dark pink flowers in there with some pumpkins, and I figured that would be a good start. While I'm doing that, I hope everybody is having a safe week and not stressing too much. I absolutely love Thanksgiving because it really doesn't put as much pressure as Christmas on gift giving and getting the perfect gift, but it's still very much a family gathering around food and having fun playing games and spending time with family. That's what I feel like every holiday should be about, and I really enjoy spending time with family that way. So I'm not sure what you guys are doing. If you have fun traditions, comment down below, tell me what you're doing. Do you have more than one Thanksgiving? Alec and I have 2 Thanksgivings, and that takes a little bit of coordinating on everybody's part because I want to see my family and my siblings, and we want to see his family, siblings, and nephew. So we're coordinating everything accordingly, and I can't really wait. It's so close yet so far. So I'm using the white jelly roll from Sakura, but it seems to fail. I'm not sure what's going on with my pen, but it seems not to work at all. So I think I'm gonna give up and leave the lines. I'm still not even fully unpacked. I'm probably about 20% unpacked at the house, so I am still working through that hurdle. So a lot of my tools and crafts are in boxes. Okay, so I added these beautiful pumpkins, and they're like green and pink and fuchsia, and I added an orange one. So these are truly lovely, and they just pop off the page. I'm gonna finish this row with flowers, so it's not just pumpkins, and I'm just gonna take my little knife and just make an incision like so, and there. I feel like that's finished. And now I'm gonna add some large flowers to the corner to bring in that pink. Okay, I think I'm gonna give up on this jelly sakura. It doesn't work on me for me, so I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Okay, so these flowers are absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and see what else I can do. I'm sorry my videos have been coming out late, but moving in and moving in general is truly no joke. I don't envy anyone who has to do it. And on top of it, as of earlier this year, I do have that new job, and that's taking quite a bit of my time as well. So I'm trying to balance out life. I know that I'm not the only one struggling with this, so thank you for bearing with me. I know my videos are coming out a little bit late. Okay, and before I put this one down, I'm going to go ahead and use a correction tape. And that flower arrangements that I'm going to be putting down is just so gorgeous. Like, I could stare at this all day. And I know I'm doing a pink Thanksgiving and it's kind of untraditional and different, but that's how I feel this year, kind of untraditional and different in my planner. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and slice one arrangement of flowers in half and then add them to Wednesday to bring in that pink, like so. And then I'm going to use the other half underneath that pumpkin right up there to finish off with a lighter pink. Okay, and it's time for some boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Mojo Jojo Plants colorful sticker boxes, and I am going to go ahead and go with this dark pink to emphasize those flowers. I'm going to start with the light pink and add that sidebar. I might be changing that to dark depending how this goes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start grabbing boxes. I love these large boxes. They're just so functional for me and I can pack so much in there. And then another one on this side. Okay, and one more. And there we go. And I'm running out of the size that I like of these boxes, so I use this little trick of using the frames of these. So I'm just gonna grab my scissors, cut them out all around like as close as possible, and then I'm going to very carefully apply those to my page, hopefully very straight without moving them too much so they're not looking awkward. So I'm gonna do one right here and I'm gonna kind of overlap it, which I like because those corners are showing and it looks completely different than just applying boxes to one another. And I love layering. I'm not sure why, but I think it just creates like such a cool different effect. So I have another one of those cut out and ready, and I'm gonna look for a couple more boxes to add prior to finishing. So almost done, and that one layered as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that frame and layer it in a little bit of a funky way, but I hope it will work. Yep, it looks great. And I'm gonna lift that one part and sneak one under there too so it looks looped, and I think that's it. I hope everybody has a happy and healthy Thanksgiving surrounded by family and laughter and great food. And thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I will see you guys for another plan with me very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye!